Yo, we're back again, boy. Hold on. Starting the day off right. Pretty windy today, so I ain't gonna do much out in the wherever we're going. But right now we're gonna go clean out the truck a little bit. Yeah, and I think we gotta head out to Clovis, go do a small little quote for a job. But either way, I'm gonna take y'all with me. And yeah. Alright, so we're gonna clean out the truck now. I mean, I want everyone to tell me if you're blue collar in somewhere, or whatever you want to call it, or blah 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 blah. Do y'all's trucks get like this? Just tons of clothes everywhere? And I can't even lie, I did cheat on my diet this weekend. Got a little crazy, went crazy on the Taco Bell. Got the big old bag of Taco Bell, boy. The Takis, they're going away, but I'm locked back in. Not messing up again. This morning, I had 2 eggs, 4 half slices of turkey bacon, and a kiwi. So I think that's pretty good already. But yeah, time to get all of this shizit out of here, boy. And then in the bed, I have a bunch of other trash that I just need to throw away because it was a long week last week, and it was a long weekend. Didn't have any time to do it. It's Monday now. But yeah, let's get this all cleaned up. Yeah, got to Clovis, and we went to the thrift store, picked up a little, a little biker vest for my daddy. And yeah, now we're about to go get some burritos. I think it's a pretty shit day today. Like I don't know if you can tell, but man, it's windier than shit out here. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna hit you with a little food review of what I get. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but catch you when I'm over there, and then we'll do a little mukbang. Alright, I know at the beginning of the video I was saying I wasn't gonna cheat on my dad again, that I was so locked in, but boom, what do we got here? Red chili burrito. Oh, is this? I don't know. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Check this. Boom. Boom! What the hecky, boy? I'll give you all a little taste review. Hot. Okay, hold on. Gotta give it a little saucing up. Never disappoints. Never ever disappoints. La Espiga de Oro. This place is just never misses. Never ever misses. Best Spanish place you could go get burritos. All kinds of shit, really. It's like the best place to go. On a nice, hot summer day, you go rip one of these burritos, like 11 in the morning. You might have the shits, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's 100% worth it. But I think when we get back home, after this settles in, and I'm definitely gonna have to shit, we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna hit some chest and some back, and I'm gonna try to do a better job at showing what I'm hitting, kind of talking about it and shit. But I'm getting used to having a camera out in public, and that's the weird part. That's the weird part. Oh, probably looking a little fat right now, but you know what? We're carbing up. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all back at home after I shower and do all that other shit. And then we're gonna hit the gym. We're gonna hit some chest, and we're gonna hit some back. See, and this is the shit I'm talking about. That if anyone has ever recommended living in New Mexico
or look, just don't. Just like, this is the kind of stuff you gotta deal with. Like, who even wants to do this? Like, I'm swerving everywhere. It's like 60-mile-an-hour winds. I can't see shit. Nobody wants to live here. I don't recommend it at all. But yeah, like, this is terrible.
All right, about to head to the gym. Yeah, look, this is not fun. Weather out here is pretty wild. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Let's get into the passenger then, boy. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Well, it's just how it is. You know how weird the sun is right now. I don't know if I could. Can't really like zoom in. I'm sure you can't probably see, but what are going on with it? But I don't know. Let's go hit some chest and some back, and then I'll pull a few clips for y'all. So yeah, let's go. Just cut the, fuck. Just got to the gym, but bang, what do we get? C4 energy. We need that. The two things you need for a good chest pump is energy, pre-workout, and steroids. But, you know, we'll talk about that in a later video. So, yeah, let's go get these milkers ready for action, boy. Let's go.
Yeah. You got it.
My upper shoulder, or my upper chest is already shot.
You're good.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel this so paper thin, like a house of cards, one broken caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screen?
Alright, I can't even lie. We did not do much in there. There's so many people in there, couldn't even move around. That's the thing that sucks about being in a small town. Is you got like places like these. Well, first they're weird about, you know, filming in public and all this and that. And the second thing is that there's just so many people. It's kind of hard. But we did a little bit of chest, a little bit of back. We could do a little pump check. Oh god. Oh yeah, really not much going on there. I can't even show the back. I had to come out here to even film this little part. That's the thing. It just sucks. It's like, damn. You know what I mean? But I think we're gonna go home. I was thinking about making some little meal prep Chipotle Ranch grilled chicken burritos. They used to have those at Taco Bell, and those things would hit at like 2 a.m. But, you know, we're on a diet. We gotta lock back in. Don't even worry about earlier in the video because that was fake. I really didn't eat it. But boom, check this. The little Mexican market, I bought Chipotle creamy hot sauce. So I'm hoping this is gas. But yeah, sorry about the gym sesh, but it happens, boy. It happens. So one more flex. Oh, for the camera. Oh, 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 oh. But yeah.